Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can get an Amazon certificate by enrolling in the AWS Summit India and registering for their program. If you're interested in learning more about Amazon Web Services, AWS, and want to earn a certificate to showcase your skills and knowledge, then this is the perfect opportunity for you. The best part? You can enroll in this program for free and get your certificate without having to pay anything. Plus, you can join the meeting from either your laptop or mobile device, making it convenient for you to attend. To register for this program, simply visit the AWS Summit India website and provide some basic details. The deadline for registration is May 25th, so be sure to sign up before then. Once you've registered, you can start preparing for the program and attending the meeting. The program will cover a range of topics related to AWS and provide you with the knowledge you need to earn your certificate. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be uploading more videos on internships and job opportunities in the tech industry, so be sure to stay tuned.